Welcome for Prima Magazine. This is Ad Emmen reporting from the EIRG workshop in Esch-sur-Alzette in the southern part of Luxembourg. We're here with Mirat Satoğlu from Ulak BİM in Turkey, and he's a new member to the EIRG delegates meeting. So welcome, Satoğlu.
Thank you.
Can you tell a little bit about yourself and your institute?
Sure. I'm the director of TÜBİTAK Ulak BİM. TÜBİTAK is the main research body and research funder in Turkey, and Ulak BİM is one of the institutes within TÜBİTAK. We are the national NRAN, we are a GEAN member, as well as we have the NGI, so we are EGI member as well. And now we are EIRG member as well. And we support services and provide facilities for infrastructure, basically, for all the researchers in Turkey.
So you're part of the, you could say, e-infrastructure's landscape in Turkey. Can you tell a little bit more about that?
Sure. There are two main centers. If we talk about the network, we are the only network that provide connection for all the universities in Turkey. We are the only NRAN, but for high-performance computing, there are two centers mainly in Turkey. One is a member of TRACE, that's within Istanbul Technical University, and the other one is an EGI member, and it's within our computer center at Ulak BİM.
And they run the, you could say, the big computers.
Yes, we have a system of about 16,000 cores, and we are looking for an upgrade in the next year.
And that's in your center?
That's in my center,
yeah.
Yes.
And what type of machine do the one in Istanbul have?
Istanbul is more tightly integrated shared memory processors, but they are very outdated, so they are looking for a major upgrade if they can find funding for it.
So there's networking, there's computing. Are there also things which are more looking at data?
We are lacking on data side. We actually have an OpenStack based cloud, so we are investigating right now and trying to get involved with EUDAT and RDA and DataSite and similar solutions. We invited RDA and DataSite members for our open access conference in Turkey in October, during the open access week. So we started evaluating the options, and we have to get into the open data and research data management, basically. That's where we are lacking right now. And then we'll be much more prepared for a European open science cloud initiative.
The open access conference, was that last October or is it coming?
It was last October, a month ago, yes,
yeah.
In Ankara. The organizers are the Library Consortia ANKOS in Turkey, and this year TÜBİTAK hosted the event at the headquarters.
So you could say that all things which are of importance to e-infrastructures at large and in Europe and are discussed widely, that are also things that are looked at or done already in Turkey, which is very nice. So you're a new member of the EIRG, and what are your expectations from that?
We are working on a national roadmap for the research infrastructure in Turkey, and we are trying to see where EIRG is going, and we want to align ourselves accordingly and have the guidance from EIRG.
What's the timeline for the Turkish roadmap?
Within a year we'll have a roadmap.
Okay, it will be very interesting.
We are working with the Minister of Development, who is financing the research infrastructures.
So, and then you look as EIRG as a kind of platform to discuss that and see whether which is the good directions to go. Yeah.
That's correct. That's correct. We want to see where the whole infrastructure is going, e-infrastructure, and we want to be part of it and not go a separate ways. Because it's about open science is about more collaboration, more cooperation, and sharing data. So We want to see what services are going to be available, build some of it, and join some of it, and be part of that direction.
Okay, looking forward to that. So, thank you very much for this interview.
My pleasure. Thank you.
For Primeur Magazine, this was At Emmen Reporting.